guys, just so you know, we're working on a Cat C15 engine. Just so you know. This diagram's drawn, shows you how to route the belt around the pulleys. Just so you know, if you can't tell in there. So that would be the routing pattern for the belt. And the actual belt itself. It's going to be D1108-7279, D84-1000, 3122500, 12 PK, 250000519 RAD. So that's the belt we're going to be replacing it with. Anyway, let's talk about classic symptoms. When the belt does go, you're going to notice that your amp light inside your truck is going to turn red. It's going to drop below 0 into the minus. And the reason why is because the let's go over here. It's your alternator right here. It's driven by the fan belt, so when the alternator dies, the batteries don't charge and the amp light comes on. So if you're ever driving and you your amp light comes on, open up the engine, and I guarantee you it'll probably be either a bad alternator or a fan belt that's broken, like in my case. There's the bolt, 5/8, one bolt, take tensioner off, then you can get the belt routed. And like I said, that's the routing pattern for that C15 engine. Reach over and you'll see the tensioner for the AC compressor. You're going to half-inch drive. You're going to remove, put a half-inch drive in there, pull back, remove tension, and remove the AC compressor belt. You have to do that to do the fan belt. Okay, this is the tensioner that's just taken off. The bolt is 5/8, so this is completely seized. They're going to put new tensioner on. So, is there a Torx back for this or no? Tight. Just hand tight? Okay. Is there also another half-inch on the tensioner for the fan belt too? Yep. Oh, okay, so you just put the half-inch wrench in the square hole and put tension back on the belt. Oh, you got a special tool for that, eh?
Yeah, you can just use a half-inch ratchet though.
These things always fail, these tensioners, are they?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's what you do. So what he's doing is he's putting a half-inch drive right there. That takes tension off of that to put the belt on. Then you got to do this screw up, right, once you're done?
Yeah.
Okay. That square hole right there is where the half-inch drive goes. You undo this bolt a little and you can pull back the tension off of the belt. Same thing here too. You can't see, I can't get the camera in there, but there's a square right there too, half-inch. Undo this bolt a little, take tension off, remove the alternator belt. Actually, that's not the alternator belt. Actually, that looks like the compressor. AC compressor belt. That's not as important as this belt. This is the big fan belt. Another thing too, guys, just so you know, always carry a spare belt in your truck. I just came to Peterbilt, just so you know. This belt here, they didn't have it in stock, so I would be waiting until tonight to get this fixed. And so just so you know, always carry a spare belt, because if you go down to the States or Canada and you break down, you could be a day or two waiting for a stupid belt to get replaced. And you saw how easy it is to replace. Always keep a spare belt. Same as an alternator. This one here, I'll give you the model number. Alternator, 12 volt, Delco Remy, Series 35SI 190-11253. Serial number is 06G19. Get yourself an alternator too and carry with you, because if this thing fails in Canada, it's about $250 to replace. In the United States, you're looking at $1,000 for an alternator. So guys, she's all fixed. So there you go, that's how you replace the belt. Goes in front of the tensioner and around the alternator. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching Jack of All Trades. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and look for more videos to come. You guys have a good day.